हे लेडी, रुको, कहाँ जा रही हो?
For audition, sir.
कौन सा ऑडिशन?
For the movie, you advertise it here. See? Right here in the paper. Indian producer wants English-speaking, multi-talented Indian-American actress for Talent Lady movie. Those who interested can come to AP Studios in Hollywood, California this week. This is AP Studio, right?
Yeah. Are you multi-talented Indian American?
Oh yeah. I am Indian. I came to visit here. I don't want to go back. That makes me an Indian American. You know what? Talent means gifted. I am so gifted. See this bag? This dress? These bangles? All this jewelry? All were given to me as a gift. I am so gifted. I am so gifted. Good for this audition. Can I see the director, please?
What a nutcase. मगर ये प्रोड्यूसर साहब ने बोला सबको अंदर जाने दो. क्या करूं? अच्छा, lady, go see producer and tell him that you came for the Talent Lady audition. Okay?
Thank you. Namaste, producer ji.
Ayyo, Emma, do I look like a producer to you? I am a kavi, artha. I write dialogues, songs for movies.
Oh.
Why are you here? Why are you here? What is your name?
Oh, my name is Arvinda. I came for the movie audition. Talent Lady.
Acha. Not bad looking at all. But my producer wants not only a pretty lady, but also a multi-talented in acting, singing, and in addition, he wants her to be rich and educated. But if one is well educated, he is not rich. Look at me. If one is rich, he is not educated. Look at that computer man. He is a billionaire, but he was a high school dropout.
Kaviji, you mean you never seen anybody who is well educated and rich?
Yeah. I've seen some of them. When I was looking for some grooms and brides for my friends' daughters and sons. But they said they are all ugly.
Kaviji, you mean you couldn't find anybody here who is rich, who is handsome, and well educated?
If I did, they don't have any talent, so.
Suppose if someone has all of those things, what happens?
Then they don't have any friends.
How come?
Because everybody is jealous of them. This is Kali Yuga Revaju.
Wow.
do you have any experience in acting and singing?
Oh yeah, I have a lot of experience. I'm so good.
Okay. Then we have a director, Prabhakar.
Oh,
He must be at this time in his office studio. Go and see him. Okay?
okay.
Tell him that I sent you.
Okay. Thank you so much, Kenny.
You are welcome.
See you later. Bye. Studio O. Studio Yum. Man, I have to walk a lot here. Studio Yen. Yeah, I'm at the studio right now. I am walking and I'm trying to figure it out where this Studio O is. You know, it's a big studio, man. I have to walk. Okay, hold on, okay? I'll be back as soon as I'm done with this audition here. Friends always call me. Oh, Studio O. Yeah. Namaste, Director Ji.
You're all right. But why are you here?
Kaviji sent me for the audition for your movie Talent Lady.
Oh, I see. Did Kaviji tell you that we are not looking only for a pretty lady, but she has to act well and also sing like a choir?
Oh, choir. You mean choir like P. Shushila, Lata, Asha, Alka, or Aishwarya?
Aishwarya sings.
Well, some people think she can.
Which choir are you?
Well, I am from Andhra Pradesh. I can sing like everybody except Aishwarya. But can I sing a Telugu song by Sushila?
Okay, go ahead.
Manasa kavinchake nannila ఎదురీదలేక నలిగేను నేను సుడిగాలిలో చెక్కిన నావన్ను మనసా కవ్వించకే నన్నిలా.
Very good. Isn't it? She's wonderful. Very good. But we are not only looking for a pretty lady who can sing, but also we want a lady who can act well. By the way, In last picture, our producer spent a lot of money on top actors and top playback singers, and ये दिवाला हो गया. इसलिए in the new picture we want a lady who can sing, act, and beautiful and multi-talented. In some of our scenes, the lady has to speak with black accent and act like a black lady. Can you do that?
Don't you take me, man. You don't need to look no more. You got everything right here. Can I sing? I can sing, I can dance, I can act, I can cook, I can clean. My bad. You don't need that.
Definitely.
Anyway, I don't understand. I'm watching and watching and watching. You people are telling me to go over there, go over here, do that, do this. Anyway, are you going to give me any part in this movie or not?
Excellent, Arvind. Excellent. By the way, I am the director and also the producer. So I can tell you confidently that you are in. Tomorrow, you come for the screen test. Okay?
Thank you so much. It's going to be my Mother's Day gift.
Sure it is.
When can we
See
come
you
see
there.